Right, I don't have the funds to be hiring private jets or fancy supercars for our videos at Satori Accounting. So this beautiful massage chair, which is in my wife's lovely nail salon, will have to do the trick. So what I want to talk about actually today is automation. I did a couple of posts this week about zero projects and how to build, what the building blocks are for a sort of shit hot finance department, which is built on great processes and technology. I want to talk further about automation a bit now as well, because automation can equal opportunity for your business. And there's a lot of things you may have read or heard about automation, but the key to it is getting the tools set up properly, understanding what the automation tools are all about, and also realizing that the tools on their own won't do absolutely everything. It depends on what you need in your business. So you mightn't be switching on every single feature within automation tools. You might need to tweak them and tailor them to suit your own preferences and to suit your own circumstances. Or you just might need to have a chat with someone to decide what's the best way of having a process for a certain area. So if you take, for example, one of the key bits of tech that we put in for ourselves and for all our businesses is Dext. Dext can handle automation for your costs. So that's all your receipts and your bills from suppliers. It can handle sales invoices from any other system getting pushed into Dex, so they can get pushed on into your main accounting platform, which it would be Zero for us and for all our clients. And within Dex, then you've got loads of different automation tools. So you'll have, for example, Invoice Fetch, where you can connect your online supplier accounts to Dex, and every billing cycle, Dex will actually use the secure login details you're putting into their platform to go and fetch your invoices for you, so you don't have to log in, download them, and so on. Also, the email in tool is brilliant within Dex, so you can then make sure that your suppliers are either emailing their invoices directly into Dex, or you've got a forwarding rule set up in your emails. And the choice that you make there is going to be down to your own preference and, of course, what you actually need to be happening. Big thing in Dex as well is the supplier rules functionality, which basically means that you can set up rules for each supplier to determine what the VAT rate is, what the category is, and to push these things straight into Zero, so that it's on your accounting platform and it's on your VAT return without you having to enter anything. Just to explain the opportunity that can bring, we focus on trying to help our clients save time, energy, and money, or make more time, make more energy, and make more money. And automation is all part of that. The opportunity, I remember, and I'm going back 8 or 9 years here, when I spoke to a client with his suppliers that he was working with, I talked him through his VAT return process. Typical process for a business owner who's doing it all himself. He waited to sort of 2 or 3 months, gather up all his documents, and then start manually entering them onto the accounting platform. And he thought it was taking him about a minute or so to enter each one of them, but in truth it was probably 3 minutes. And I was doing that analysis for a particular reason with him, because he was getting PDFs on an email, he was opening the email, he was opening the PDF, he was printing the PDF, he was putting it on a LeverArch file, and then he was typing all the details onto the accounting platform. And I know it would probably take 3 minutes, especially when you take sort of interruptions and distractions on the account. It just wasn't a smooth process. The opportunity that we presented for him was that by automating all of that process, with us doing the setup and doing the integration and teaching him how it works and just getting it set to work for him, we ended up saving that business owner 25 working days per year on just processing his purchase invoices for his VAT return. So that's how automation can equal opportunity. Right, that's me done. I'm probably going to turn this massage chair on. And I should also just say, I don't do this all the time. I've just decided to give it a go today.